Hello guys. Today, as you know it is May 15th. This is yes, but oh, this is the 1 year anniversary. Yes, it is. Oh my god. Yes, I'm not used to third person. On an iPad at least. So basically today I'm going to do a showcase because it is a 1 year anniversary of this channel. And so far I'm pretty sure we have 104 subscribers. Okay, let me just change my perspective for a second. I'm waiting. Okay, finally. First person. Okay, so this today is going to be a big scale showcase. Today, almost now, I finished Poland. Yes, actually Poland. Czechoslovakia, the Alpine States, Germany, and I actually did Benelux. I'm pretty sure that's his name. Luxembourg, Belgium, Netherlands. And yes, I'm pretty sure I completed all of the Balkans, including Hungary and Moldova. Yeah. Oh, no, I didn't do Greece yet, actually. So, from the Balkans, I did Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia, Montenegro, Albania, North Macedonia, Bulgaria, Kosovo, Serbia, Romania, Moldova, Transnistria, a bit of Ukraine, and Hungary. As of the rest. Next video is probably going to be Greece. Yes, actually, in fact, I want to just, put a sign here. I just want to do this. Serbia map edit deserves this. Been a long subscriber, you know. I haven't been posting lately. Well, I haven't been posting videos on my big scale, mostly because I don't have replay mod on this device, so I couldn't be able to replay it as most geomappers do. But yes, it's gonna be Greece next video, and then I might do Ukraine or Belarus, or maybe even both. This is just a showcase for 1 year anniversary, as I said, on this whole channel. And I just want to thank you all for 100 subscribers, 104 subscribers, actually. Let's try to get 10,000 views on my next video. Let's see how many views it gets. Bye! I'm gonna stop screen recording, but bye.